You're driving down the highway and suddenly your dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. Your heart sinks as you realize another expensive trip to the mechanic is inevitable. But what if I told you there are SUVs out there so reliable, so bulletproof, that mechanical failures become nothing more than distant memories? Today, we're diving into 12 SUVs that have earned legendary status for their dependability. These aren't just vehicles, they're your tickets to worry-free driving for hundreds of thousands of miles. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the cream of the crop in automotive reliability. 11. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander stands as a monument to automotive reliability, earning its place as one of the most dependable three-row SUVs on the market. When families think of a vehicle that will serve them faithfully through school pickups, weekend soccer games, and cross-country road trips, the Highlander consistently rises to the top of their lists. This isn't by accident. Toyota has spent decades perfecting the formula that makes this SUV virtually unbreakable. What sets the Highlander apart from its competitors is Toyota's unwavering commitment to proven technology. While other manufacturers chase the latest trends and unproven innovations, Toyota sticks with what works. The Highlander's naturally aspirated V6 engine has been refined over multiple generations, with engineers eliminating weak points and strengthening components that experience the most stress. This conservative approach means owners rarely encounter the teething problems that plague vehicles using cutting-edge powertrains. Beyond the mechanical components, the Highlander's build quality extends to every aspect of the vehicle. Interior materials are chosen not just for their appearance, but for their ability to withstand daily use without showing excessive wear. The seats maintain their support and comfort even after years of use, and the dashboard components continue functioning reliably long after other vehicles would show signs of electrical gremlins. 10. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot represents everything Honda has learned about building reliable family transportation over the past 4 decades. This three-row SUV combines Honda's legendary engineering excellence with the practicality that busy families demand, creating a vehicle that serves faithfully year after year without complaint. The Pilot's reputation for dependability isn't just marketing speak, it's backed by real-world data from millions of owners who have driven these SUVs well beyond 200,000 miles. Honda's approach to the Pilot's powertrain exemplifies their philosophy of reliability through proven technology. The V6 engine that powers the Pilot has been continuously refined since its introduction, with engineers making incremental improvements that enhance both performance and longevity. This engine doesn't rely on complex turbocharging or direct injection systems that can introduce reliability concerns. Instead, it uses time-tested port fuel injection and naturally aspirated breathing to deliver power in a way that maximizes durability. What makes the Pilot particularly appealing to reliability-focused buyers is Honda's conservative approach to new technology integration. When Honda does introduce new features, they've typically been thoroughly tested and proven in other applications first. This means Pilot owners get the benefits of modern convenience without the headaches of being beta testers for unproven systems. The result is an SUV that feels current and competitive while maintaining the rock-solid dependability Honda is known for. 9. Lexus GX460. The Lexus GX460 occupies a unique position in the luxury SUV market, combining premium amenities with the kind of bulletproof reliability that has made Toyota products legendary worldwide. Built on the same fundamental platform as the Toyota 4Runner, the GX460 inherits all of that vehicle's mechanical durability while adding the refinement and luxury features that Lexus customers expect. This combination creates an SUV that can tackle serious off-road adventures during the week and provide comfortable luxury transportation for evening engagements. At the heart of the GX460's reliability lies its naturally aspirated 4.6-liter V8 engine, a power plant that represents decades of refinement and real-world testing. This engine doesn't rely on turbocharging, supercharging, or other complex systems to generate power. Instead, it uses straightforward engineering principles that have proven themselves across millions of miles in various Toyota and Lexus applications. The result is an engine that delivers consistent power output while requiring nothing more than regular maintenance to continue running smoothly. Lexus's attention to detail in the GX460 extends beyond just mechanical reliability to include the kind of build quality that ensures all systems continue functioning properly years down the road. The electrical systems are designed with redundancy and robustness in mind, meaning owners don't experience the kind of mysterious electrical gremlins that can plague other luxury vehicles as they age. Even complex systems like the air suspension are engineered for longevity, with Lexus using high-quality components that maintain their performance characteristics over time. 8. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner stands as perhaps the ultimate expression of automotive reliability, earning a reputation for invincibility that borders on the mythical. This body-on-frame SUV represents Toyota's commitment to building vehicles that can handle absolutely anything owners throw at them, while continuing to start and run reliably day after day. The 4Runner's legendary status isn't just about surviving extreme conditions, it's about providing decades of dependable service with minimal mechanical intervention. What makes the 4Runner so remarkably reliable starts with Toyota's philosophy of evolutionary rather than revolutionary design changes. The current generation has been in production for over a decade, giving Toyota ample time to identify and eliminate any potential weak points. This approach means that by the time most people purchase a 4Runner, they're getting a vehicle that represents years of continuous improvement and refinement rather than an untested new design. The 4.0-liter V6 engine that powers the 4Runner exemplifies Toyota's conservative approach to powertrain development. This naturally aspirated engine uses proven technology that prioritizes reliability over maximum power output. While it may not be the most powerful engine in its class, it's designed to run for hundreds of thousands of miles with nothing more than regular oil changes and basic maintenance. Owners regularly report 4Runners with 300,000 miles or more that still run like new, testament to the engine's fundamental durability. The 4Runner's transmission continues this theme of proven reliability. The 5-speed automatic has been refined over many years of production, with Toyota addressing any potential issues before they become widespread problems. This transmission is designed to handle the stresses of off-road driving, towing, and daily commuting without the complex electronic controls that can introduce reliability concerns in other vehicles. 7. CR-V. The Honda CR-V has redefined what compact SUV reliability looks like, setting standards that competitors struggle to match while maintaining the practical efficiency that makes it perfect for daily driving. This vehicle represents Honda's ability to create something that feels substantial and capable, while remaining fundamentally simple and dependable. The CR-V's success isn't just about initial quality, it's about maintaining that quality over years and hundreds of thousands of miles of real-world use. Honda's approach to the CR-V's powertrain demonstrates their understanding of what reliability-focused customers truly want. The naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine that powers many CR-V models uses straightforward technology that has been proven across multiple Honda model lines. This engine doesn't rely on turbocharging or other complexity to generate adequate power, instead using efficient design and precise engineering to deliver the performance most drivers need while maximizing longevity. What sets the CR-V apart in terms of long-term reliability is Honda's attention to the details that matter most to owners. The electrical systems are designed with simplicity in mind, avoiding unnecessary complexity that can introduce failure points as the vehicle ages. The air conditioning, power windows, door locks, and other convenience features continue working reliably even after years of daily use, something that can't always be said for vehicles that prioritize cutting-edge technology over proven dependability. 6. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 brings a unique combination of driving enjoyment and rock-solid reliability to the compact SUV segment, proving that dependability doesn't have to come at the expense of an engaging driving experience. Mazda's approach to building the CX-5 reflects their commitment to creating vehicles that feel premium and sophisticated while maintaining the kind of mechanical simplicity that ensures long-term reliability. This SUV has consistently ranked among the most dependable in its class while offering a level of refinement that makes every drive enjoyable. Mazda's Skyactiv technology, which forms the foundation of the CX-5's powertrain, represents a thoughtful approach to efficiency and reliability. Rather than relying on complex turbocharging or hybrid systems to achieve good fuel economy, Mazda engineered their engines to extract maximum efficiency through fundamental improvements in combustion, friction reduction, and weight optimization. This approach means CX-5 owners get excellent fuel economy without the complexity that can introduce reliability concerns over time. Mazda's attention to build quality in the CX-5 extends throughout the entire vehicle, from the precision of the door fits to the quality of the interior materials. The paint finish on CX-5 models consistently ranks among the best in the industry, and the interior components maintain their appearance and functionality even after years of daily use. This attention to detail means that CX-5 owners don't just get mechanical reliability, they get a vehicle that continues looking and feeling like new long after the initial purchase. 5. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback has carved out a unique niche as the go-to vehicle for adventurous families who need something reliable enough for daily commuting, yet capable enough for weekend outdoor adventures. This raised wagon combines car-like fuel economy and handling with SUV-like ground clearance and capability, all wrapped up in a package that has proven itself remarkably reliable over multiple generations. The Outback's reputation for dependability is particularly impressive given its sophisticated all-wheel drive system and boxer engine configuration. Subaru's boxer engine design, while unique in the marketplace, has proven itself reliable through decades of real-world use. The horizontally opposed layout provides a lower center of gravity that improves handling while creating an engine that runs smoothly and efficiently. Modern Outback models have addressed the head gasket issues that affected some earlier Subaru engines, with current powertrains featuring improved sealing technology that eliminates this concern for new vehicle buyers. What makes the Outback particularly appealing to reliability-focused buyers is Subaru's conservative approach to technology integration. When Subaru introduces new features, they typically represent proven technology that has been adapted specifically for Subaru's unique requirements. The EyeSight driver assistance system, for example, uses cameras and processing power that have been thoroughly tested before implementation, giving owners the benefits of modern safety technology without the concerns about long-term reliability. 4. Acura RDX. The Acura RDX represents Honda's luxury division's commitment to combining premium amenities with the rock-solid reliability that has made Honda products legendary among value-conscious consumers. This compact luxury SUV proves that buyers don't have to sacrifice dependability when they want premium features and materials. The RDX consistently ranks among the most reliable luxury SUVs while offering the kind of refined driving experience and upscale interior that justify its premium positioning in the market. Honda's decision to power the RDX with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine initially raised questions among reliability-focused buyers, but real-world experience has shown this powertrain to be remarkably dependable. Honda took a conservative approach to turbocharger implementation, using proven technology and conservative tuning to ensure long-term reliability. The turbocharger system includes features like electric wastegate control and integrated exhaust manifold design that enhance durability while providing the performance benefits that luxury buyers expect. The RDX's transmission continues Honda's tradition of smooth, reliable operation. The 10-speed automatic uses technology that Honda has thoroughly tested across multiple vehicle applications, with specific tuning for the RDX that optimizes both performance and longevity. This transmission provides quick, smooth shifts while avoiding the complexity and reliability concerns that have affected some competing luxury SUVs with advanced transmission technology. Acura's approach to luxury features in the RDX emphasizes durability alongside premium appearance and functionality. The leather-appointed seating surfaces are chosen not just for their appearance, but for their ability to maintain that appearance over years of use. The infotainment system uses proven hardware and software platforms that continue operating reliably even as other systems in competing vehicles show signs of aging. This attention to long-term durability means RDX owners can enjoy luxury features without worrying about expensive repairs as their vehicle ages. 3. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 has become the gold standard for compact SUV reliability, consistently ranking at the top of dependability surveys while offering the versatility and efficiency that modern families demand. This SUV represents Toyota's ability to create a vehicle that feels contemporary and competitive while maintaining the fundamental simplicity and durability that have made Toyota products legendary for their longevity. The RAV4's success isn't just about initial quality, it's about maintaining that quality over hundreds of thousands of miles of real-world use. Toyota's approach to the RAV4's powertrain demonstrates their commitment to proven technology over flashy innovations that might compromise long-term reliability. The naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine uses time-tested technology that prioritizes durability and efficiency over maximum power output. This engine doesn't require premium fuel or exotic maintenance procedures. It's designed to provide reliable service with nothing more than regular oil changes and basic maintenance for hundreds of thousands of miles. What sets the RAV4 apart in terms of long-term ownership satisfaction is Toyota's attention to the details that matter most in daily use. The air conditioning system continues blowing cold air even after years of use. The power windows operate smoothly without the grinding noises that develop in some competitors, and the door handles maintain their solid feel rather than becoming loose or sloppy over time. These might seem like minor details, but they contribute significantly to the overall ownership experience and long-term satisfaction. 2. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX has defined luxury SUV reliability for over 2 decades, proving that premium vehicles can provide the same legendary dependability that has made Toyota products famous worldwide. This mid-size luxury SUV combines sophisticated amenities and refined driving dynamics with the kind of mechanical durability that ensures years of trouble-free ownership. The RX's reputation extends beyond just mechanical reliability to encompass the long-term durability of luxury features that continue functioning properly long after competitors show signs of age. The RX's powertrain options reflect Lexus's commitment to proven technology rather than cutting-edge innovations that might compromise reliability. The naturally aspirated V6 engine that powers many RX models represents decades of refinement and real-world testing, with engineers continuously improving efficiency and durability without sacrificing the smooth, refined performance that luxury buyers expect. This engine doesn't rely on turbocharging or other complexity to generate power, instead using sophisticated engineering to deliver performance while maximizing longevity. Lexus's approach to luxury features in the RX emphasizes long-term durability alongside premium appearance and functionality. The Mark Levinson audio system continues delivering exceptional sound quality even after years of use. The leather seating surfaces maintain their appearance and comfort, and the navigation and infotainment systems continue operating smoothly without the glitches and failures that can affect other luxury vehicles as they age. This attention to detail means RX owners can enjoy premium features without worrying about expensive repairs outside of warranty coverage. 1. Honda Ridgeline. The Honda Ridgeline brings Honda's legendary reliability to the pickup truck segment, offering a unique approach that prioritizes car-like comfort and dependability over maximum towing capacity or off-road capability. This unibody pickup truck proves that not all trucks need to be built like heavy-duty workhorses to provide reliable transportation for families who occasionally need pickup truck versatility. The Ridgeline's reputation for reliability stems from Honda's decision to build it using the same engineering principles that have made their cars and SUVs legendary for their longevity. Honda's approach to the Ridgeline's powertrain exemplifies their philosophy of using proven technology rather than chasing maximum specifications that might compromise reliability. The naturally aspirated V6 engine provides adequate power for most truck duties while avoiding the complexity of turbocharging or other technologies that might introduce long-term reliability concerns. This engine uses the same fundamental design principles that have made Honda's other V6 engines so dependable, with specific tuning for truck applications. What makes the Ridgeline particularly appealing to reliability-focused buyers is Honda's integration of practical truck features with car-like refinement and dependability. The in-bed trunk provides secure, weatherproof storage that continues functioning properly even after years of use, and the dual-action tailgate operates smoothly without the binding or adjustment issues that affect some competing trucks. These features, combined with Honda's overall attention to build quality, create a truck that provides dependable service for both daily commuting and occasional truck duties. These 11 SUVs represent the pinnacle of automotive reliability, each earning its place through years of proven performance in real-world conditions. From the Toyota Highlander's family-focused dependability to the Lexus GX460's luxury-wrapped durability, these vehicles share a common commitment to keeping you on the road rather than in the repair shop. The manufacturers behind these SUVs understand that true reliability comes not from flashy technology or cutting-edge innovations, but from careful engineering, proven components, and attention to the details that matter most in daily use. Your mechanic might miss seeing you, but your wallet and your peace of mind will thank you for choosing dependability over everything else.